Hi, I'm Dan, and I impulsively bought a camper minivan, and I'm going to hit the road in a big way, and I'm going to document it all to fill the van life voyeuristic void that you didn't know you had. What you'll see when you subscribe to the Damn Van Like Bee, your favorite social media platform, where the stories about the random places I visit. Many of them will be weird and wonderful, and some might be normal, but my take on them might be weird and wonderful. I'll also share product reviews of the things I procured specifically for this journey. There's been a lot of purchases so far that I'll show you in future videos, and the boxes, they don't stop coming. And I'll share all the blunders I make along the way, and I've already made a couple of whoppers with regards to my plans to redo the interior, and I'll share those in future videos as well. For now, I only have a loose plan, and I don't know how long I'll be traveling, so many days that I bring news to you, it'll be news to me too. So what led me to this life choice? I'll explain that in a future video. My plan is to set sail on April 1st because of the obvious irony, and between now and then I'll document the renovations to the van and my test run adventures here in Southern California, so be sure and smash the follow and subscribe buttons so you don't miss any of Dan on the Lam in a van without much of a plan.